Hey Stampers, Gaynor again. I just thought I've been spending the past not few hours, and I can't even say that, the past about 20 minutes putting my cling mount stamps on. I just wanted to show you how quick and how fast it can be. So I'll do one at my pace and then I'll slow one down for you a little bit. All I do is just remove them, leaving the backings on if I can. So once you pop that first little bit, just grab and pull. Oops, do you know what? Off camera I was doing it so fast, it was unreal. Stick the camera on, and there you go. I'm on a roll now, so just pull them out. They're really good quality rubber, so you're not going to do any damage to them whatsoever. And this way, once you've tugged and pulled, it just automatically wants to go back into the shape it wants anyway. And if you're like me, I mean, a lot of people don't put their labels on until they actually use the product, but with the new cling ones, I think a lot of people now are, you know, putting all the labels on because they're keeping this part of the label in the box as well. So I'll show you what I mean in a minute, and I'll show you a nice way to put them on that you might be able to just lift them off again if you get it wrong, but you've got to be really gentle. Don't be gentle at this bit, it's just so quick. They stick to your fingers, but they pull off, but they don't pull away from there until you actually stick the actual stamp down. I'll show you what I mean now. Because I don't want to spend all my day doing all these, and then I just sooner get them all done out the way, pop them in the boxes, and then I can carry on playing then, because that's why we buy them, so we can play. We don't buy them to spend all day doing this. And like I say, and they're all going to stay inside the case anyway, and so's this piece of paper. Just get the bits out. There we go. And then what I do is just place that in there, and then it's like a little jigsaw puzzle then, but just hover it over the top, gently drop it. Don't go pressing on it like I nearly did just. Hover it over. I mean, you get something. I'll show you how most people do it in a second. Just gently rest it on the top, because I'll tell you another thing as well in 2 seconds. I think if you start messing with the stamp, that is something you're trying to line up. If you drop it, it falls into place, see, that's what I'm saying. You will not move it. Can't see now because of the light. I don't think it matters so much with the little images. I think it's more to do with the lettering. So I didn't place that one down too good. Let's see. No, it's well and truly stuck. But it's just a tiny little bit off, that's all. That's just that one. And then just press, and then you're done. Get the next one done. Again, remove your pieces. Once you get that first click, you can get under there then, and these just drop out. I love doing this, but I'd sooner spend most of my time stamping rather than, I find this very therapeutic, but you know, a lot of you might not, but Nearly done. Oops. I'm just showing you that it can be done quickly and in one full swoop. So my backings were still inside. I'm going to flip these over now. Oh, no, it's that way. And again, pop in the centre. Just pull. It won't come off on your hands. They come off on the blocks. Not the blocks, the stamps. But to line up the stamp sets with the words on, I think if you just once you've got it lined up perfectly, let it gently fall. Because if you're trying to manoeuvre something and you're wiggling it while you're trying to put it on, you're never going to get it on straight. Always pull from the middle. Don't ever pull from the outer sides because that'll just pull the sticker off as well. So discard your papers and wants to stay behind. You know which way your patterns are looking. It's like a little jigsaw, so pop that on one end. Just line it up and let it drop. Got a little bit over there, but it's the pattern, so don't worry about the pattern ones. It's these ones with the words. Just rest them on gently. And you've got a shape anyway, so just follow the shape. There we go. How quick was that? Gently drop it down because you want to be able to line your stamps up afterwards. So let it just fall, because some people, when they're putting these on, they like, oh, right there, and they're moving it and they're moving it, and it can end up wiggly on there. What do you call it? And because I only just gently did that then, just slightly off a little bit I was on that one, but that's not too bad at all for me because you can still see the pattern. What I do as well then is go along, if I have gone overhang, and just trim off the excess. Because I don't want to catch that on anything. Let me get my other scissors because these aren't meant to be, these are my non-stick things. Whoops, there they are, I've moved everything. I had a space on my desk for my blends, and now my new one has come. I've had to swap things around a little bit, but that's perfect now. It's always going to fall back in its slot, like these, perfectly lined up. Let it just fall on top, and then when I put that on a block, I know it's going to be straight. So that was just my little way of showing you how quick it can be done as well. I have got literally 2 sets to go and I've done them all, and I only started, like I say, about 20 minutes ago. So let's pull out the last 2. I always do them in alphabetical order as well. So this one comes next. Because, I mean, I used to pop them all out, peel off the backings, place them down. Oh, it's just, I want to get it done quickly. Just leave the backings inside. Perfect. I'm like a little trooper when it comes to this. I mean, I've tried doing one at a time, you know, like attach that now. And then, oh, I can't do it because it weighs the paper down. Then you can't get to grips to take off all the other labels. So just take them all off. done in no time, see? And I've done 20 sets in 20 minutes. Or give or take a little fraction. So I line up the bottom bit first, and then just drop it. But this is me. That's the one there. Line it up and just drop it. Just drop. Oh, there it is. Drop. And press. No overhang this time. All perfectly done. My lettering's all lined up. Beautiful. Perfect. It's like we're going to leave them in there anyway. You do get a little bit overhang, like I'm saying, but that is the plain stuff. You can bend it round the sides even, but I like to just trim it off. So there's another one done. Last one. Look, so you've got a little catch there. Once you grab the catch, just pull it off at the same time. I can't wait. I've got to do all this again tomorrow. I can't wait. I'll have everything I want to do, and then I can just spend all my time concentrating on all these wonderful creations and that you will get to see over the next few weeks. Well, the next 12 months. I ain't stopping till it's all done. So I had 28 sets today. I think I've got 20 coming tomorrow. You know, I spent 2 days, I used to before, oh my goodness, putting all these labels underneath there like I used to, but I'm really grateful for the cling mount. I don't have to do that anymore. But I always take from the centres. That's it. Let's bob my papers in the bin. I've got a bucket. I've got a huge box down at the side of me where I pop all my rubbish. So I'll line it up. Check which way round it goes. With the word ones, just drop them on. It's different with like one words, but it's just like filling in a jigsaw puzzle, isn't it? I think you get used to doing something when you buy so many. There we go, all done. The last 4 sets, all lined up beautifully. Perfect. Yay. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Young at heart, all lined up. I think, like I'm saying, when you try and manoeuvre like something like that, if you do one bit slowly and then think, oh wait there, I've got to move that up a bit, you could end up with a skew with stamp like that, and you don't want that. So that's why I left it to rest gently, and it's all lined up perfectly. So there we are, just a quick one. Thought I'd show you how I quickly put my stamps together. I hope it was helpful, and I hope it wasn't too quick for you. But there's 4 sets I've just done in front of you, and I did that one before. I thought, oh, I'll show the girls. just how quick and simple it is to do your stamp sets without having to spend all day doing it. So thanks for watching. Till next time. And come back and watch and see what I create with all this gorgeousness. Don't forget to press subscribe, that way you and the bell, that way you won't miss any future videos. And I will be on a mission to create beautiful, beautiful things for you all to see. Till next time, bye.